Hey y'all, so it's your girl Kaya. I'm starting a weekly vlog. It's Sunday, y'all, and I'm sitting here cleaning like, damn, I haven't recorded in so long since that Memorial Day shit. But yeah, I'm gonna start a weekly vlog. Really like tipsy right now. I'm tipsy as hell, and I just decided to like vlog it. I hadn't drank in so long. I detox for 3 days starting tomorrow. Why not eat bad and why not have a drink? So yeah, I'm about to clean my room. If my butt not showing, y'all gonna see me clean my room. But I'm about to play some music and speed this part up, cause it's a weekly vlog. It's a weekly vlog and a Sunday reset. So yeah, I don't know what time it is. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:23 p.m.
Where's my phone? I need to go start a load because I got someone to be at 7. I told my friend 7. So I hurry up and I got clothes to wash. Let's speed this up so we can get it going. I need to stop drinking. Okay, I have my candle lit. This is the best Bath and Body Works candle besides the pineapple mango. Get y'all one of these. Oh, and a rose water ivory. Yeah, those 3. What's up? What's wrong?
I got my beautiful.
You look like a granny, girl.
No,
You look like granny.
that's not me.
You look like somebody's grandma.
No,
Yes, you
no,
do.
that's me then.
Okay, you look pretty. You look pretty.
Thanks.
Yeah, I'm struggling cleaning up this bed. Like, it's pissing me off. But yeah, I'm gonna let this go to like 15 minutes. And then I'm gonna turn the camera off. Smoking on this shit, that barely had me sick. Duke smoky seed. Turned out in a minute, babe. Said there he goes, that little boy, he on that dough. Get it, I'm a money spinner, you a running. I ain't going 50-50 with no nigga. I'm about to go to the car wash. And I wanna like treat myself to something that I always been wanting. Like food wise. Because I'm going on my detox tomorrow for 3 days, so I don't want to like overeat shit, but like I want to overdo it. Like I feel like it's my last day. I've been craving insomnia cookies, but I'm gonna see crepe. Yeah, I might go to insomnia, whatever the fuck y'all call it, and go get me a cookie. Because I start my detox tomorrow until Wednesday. And then yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna go chill at Jalen house probably. Wait y'all, wait. I gotta play my songs. What else am I supposed to do? Where am I surrounded? Go for what I'm the dying breed of the realest. Shit fair, switch on who? I went down and breeze. Take it how to eat. She be fucking me good, girl, you fuck me better.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on.
Or get out and walk up to it. It's cool. Yeah, I just got home. Like I had a long night. But I'm about to go in the house, eat, and go to bed. I gotta be up at 5 in the morning. It is literally 11:05. So only got like 4-5 hours to sleep. Tomorrow I'm about to go in this house, go to sleep, and I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Or I might talk to y'all before I go to sleep for real. I don't know. It depends. Most likely I'm not. I'm ready to go to bed. But yeah. I'm kind of in my feelings right now. Yeah. I'll talk to y'all when I talk to y'all. Bye. this is as realistic as I'm gonna come on this camera, because y'all, I just been in a funk since I've been at home. Like, I went to my job. I woke up at like 5 this morning. I only got like 3 hours of sleep. And if you could tell in my face, I've been crying. Like, I really been crying ever since I got back to the house. Well, really in a car, but whatever. Y'all really been in a funk, like, and I'm just sitting here like, let me get up. Like, stop being sad. Like, I'm one emotional ass female. Like, I'm hard body as fuck, but emotional as hell. Like, my emotions be everywhere.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
My hair messed up. Like, y'all, I've been stressed. It was perfectly fine this morning. So I got in my room, lay down, start crying. It was bad. Like, I don't even care how I look on this camera. Like, this is gonna be a realistic week in my life. Like, my life is not perfect, y'all. As much as y'all think shit sweet over here, shit is not sweet at all. My bad. I need to get up and clean up because I gotta work tomorrow at a job that I don't want to be at. Like, start work at 11:30, but I get off at 3:30, so it's not that bad. I won't be that stressed, but I don't want to be there because the next day I have to work from Wednesday to Thursday. Wednesday to Friday I work from 7 to 3:30, and then Saturday I work from 11 to 3:30. Y'all, I'm back. I just changed my clothes. These sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie.
Hey, yeah. I need someone to be patient with me. Someone to get money when I take it from me. They don't even need to be as famous as me. I don't think I meet them at the places I be, but deep down I think about you all day, mommy. I know I'm a bit.
Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough of petty dues. I put enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better today than cash today. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. All I got is these broken clocks. I ain't got no time, just burning daylight. Still love and still love, and it's still love, it's still love, still love, still love, still love, it's still love, and still love. Nothing but love for you, nothing but love, nothing but love. All that I got is in pages, talking a lie. Sorry, I'm faded. Think I forgot. You love me, you love me, you love me. Gotta shift at 10 a.m. Gotta dip at 10 p.m.
Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day. I believe it's June 11th. I cried yesterday. I did not want to work today, and as you can see, I'm not there. But I do have to work tomorrow. But depending on how today goes, hopefully I can quit tomorrow. Just get back to y'all when I'm out the shower right before my interview. But yeah, I'm getting my hair done today too as well. But that's not until later tonight. I'm supposed to be starting my detox tomorrow. I thought it was Monday, but Nikki lied. My mama lied. I'm gonna start my detox soon though, like tomorrow, because baby, I have a trip in August. Motherfuckers that they had done don't know how to act. Yeah. I'm really pissed off. I'm thinking about pulling over. G, why the fuck is a train? I'm so blue. Like, I hate living by trains. Like, damn, I hate this shit. I just came back from getting my hair done with Damari, And then he took me out to dinner, y'all. I got the best friend ever. Yeah, my best friend is like my favorite person, literally. We've been friends since freshman year of high school. That was in 2014. 10 years. Oh my God. I'm gonna call him. Bitch.
What?
We've been best friends for 10 years.
Damn, bitch.
It don't even feel like it.
It really just like down. That's sick.
We only lasted 4 years, bitch.
That is sick, bitch.
That's not funny. Gee, I'm stuck at a train.
You stuck by a train? I thought you would have made it home by now.
Bro. I don't care. What? I'm broke as hell. Thumbnail. When I tell y'all my life be boring sometimes, I would say this is my boring week. Like, I did some fun stuff, but I didn't even record it. Good morning, y'all. It is Saturday. This is the last day of this vlog. And I gotta be bothered with my granny. Y'all, she about to work my nerve. Y'all, so she did exactly what I said she was gonna do. So with that being said, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all liked it and enjoyed it. I promise y'all the next week vlog is gonna be way better. But my week was horrible, so yeah. Sorry. I'll see y'all next vlog, which will be probably the 4th. If not, then definitely my birthday, because yeah, it's almost Leo season. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because I didn't do a proper outro. So yeah, thank y'all. See y'all next video.
What a lie.